This is DeFooocus. It might look like a simple image generating tool, but there's actually a lot more going on under the hood. You get powerful features like Inpaint and Outpaint, image prompting, image upscaling, describe to analyze and recreate images, and metadata support to inspect the settings and prompts used to create an image. And it doesn't stop there. DeFooocus also includes its own built-in Photoshop-style editing tools, letting you edit and refine your images directly inside the interface. You can even remove backgrounds from your images with just a few clicks. No matter what you want to do, turn your pictures into 3D meshes, create LivePortrait animations, work with FLUX.1, or explore a wide range of other AI features, DeFooocus brings a lot of powerful tools together in one single application. It even comes in a portable version, making it much easier to get started without a complicated installation. However, the current version can run into a few errors and dependency issues. So watch the full video, and I'll show you how to set up DeFooocus properly and get it running without those errors. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of DeFooocus. You can get to know everything from here. This come in portable form, still many issues, so watch my whole video to make it work again. To install you need Python 3.10.11, FFmpeg Visual Studio, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Git for Windows. I have made a playlist you can watch. This will help you installing these dependencies. To install on main page, click on Release option. Download the latest zip file. After download, make sure you put zip file in a folder. Now unzip it with 7-zip extractor only. After extracted, double-click Install File. After install done, double-click Run Realistic File. You will see this remg error. To fix this, in main extracted folder, go inside Python embedded folder. Type cmd in folder path. This will open a new command window. Install remg with this command. Now also install diffusers this version. Sorry about that, I forgot to put pip install. Now also install Hugging Face Hub. Now again double-click Run Realistic File. This will launch DeFooocus. Let's test it and generate a picture. Installing DeFooocus means all-in-one image generating and editing tool. This tool only required around 6 GB of RAM. And that's it for this video. I hope this guide helped you get DeFooocus up and running without all those annoying errors. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools, tutorials, and local AI setups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.